Oh, you stole my kill. This kid stole my kill. Oh.
Today we're going to bring in the official Nintendo Switch headsets. If you guys can see this, they look exactly like the Nintendo Switch controllers. You get a goose stretchable microphone here. If you guys can see that, the foam itself, it's a lot of it's cloth foam. If you guys can see that, stretchable for any kind of head size, especially if you have a kid that has a big head like this guy or big wig. And it has a special sponge on the top of the head, so this actually expands to a couple centimeters open, if you guys can see that. It fits anybody's head. Now there is a digital jack. If you guys can see, there's a 3.5 digital jack. If you can see the 3 lines, that means it's a digital. You're gonna get mic, you're gonna hear the speakers too at the same time. So when you see the 3 lines in there, that's a digital connection. If you guys see 3.5 jack, auxiliary connection. Now here we have the actual microphone. It does not have voice cancellation. The goose neck is actually very flexible. You could, if you don't want to talk to anybody, just put it behind your head. Now it's not removable. It just goes up and down. There is a volume control key in the bottom, in the back of it, and that's pretty much it. Mic muted. There is no mic mute button at all. But you know, if you don't want to talk to them, just move it to the back. Unfortunately, there is. I wish they had a mic mute, but there's no mic mute in here. There's only a volume control. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hi guys, I'm gonna be testing out the headphones with the mic for the Nintendo Switch, and I actually have my Nintendo Switch right here. So I'm gonna connect them. You just have to connect them to the little hole next to the gamepad. You can talk in the mic and you can cancel it in the game. It tells you to cancel the mic. And so the mic works, you just have to talk into it. They can still hear you if you put it back or the front. So they could just hear you. It's a little bit far they can hear, but not too far. But you could talk in the game. You could play with your friends, talk to them, and yeah, that's it.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.